Hello student, welcome to my channel. Now in this question I will explain you the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. In the last video I explained profit and loss appropriation account, but drawing it was not given. In this question you will get the drawing and interest on drawing also. So let me explain the question. I wrote a question, so let me explain the question first, then I will solve it. A, B and C are partners in a firm. Their capitals as on 1st April 2022, we have, be careful, 1st April, that is opening capital, means 5 lakhs, 4 lakh and 3 lakh. According to partnership deed, interest on capital is to be allowed 8% per annum. 8%, interest on capital 8%. Then here I wrote it, A withdrew rupees 5,000 at the beginning of each month. At the beginning of each month, B withdrew rupees 4,000 at the end of each month, and C withdrew rupees 40,000 during the year. So three different cases I gave here. One, A withdrew at the beginning of each month, B withdrew at the end of each month, C draw a particular amount during the year, 40,000 during the year. A and B are to get salary of rupees 3,000 per month. So per month here it is given. Both A will also get 3,000, B will also get 3,000. Interest on drawing is to be charged at the rate of 10% per annum. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2023 amounted rupees 7,550,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So now I am going to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So first you will write it here. What is the profit? So I already told you in the last video, that means you will write profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2023. For which accounting year you are preparing, that you will mention it. So first we will write the profit. So what is the profit and loss? Profit and loss account, you will write it here. 7,550,000. Clear? Then here it is written, interest on capital is to be allowed 8% per annum. So I will write here, to interest on capital. To interest on capital you will calculate separate interest on capital account for A, B and C. A capital is how much? 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs 8%. It will be 40,000. B, it is 4 lakh. 4 lakh 8%. 32,000. C, 3 lakh 8%. It will be 24,000. So you will add it. It will be 96,000. You will write here. Clear? Then you will write to partners salary account. Partners salary account. So who is getting the salary? Only A and B is getting the salary. A and B are to get the salary of 3,000 per month. So you will write A and B. 3,000 per month means 3,000 into 12. It will be 36,000. B will also get 36,000. So it will be 72,000. Clear? Now you will write it here by interest on drawing. By interest on drawing, you will write on the credit side by interest on drawing. What is the amount of interest on drawing of A, B and C? A withdraw rupees 5,000 at the beginning of each month. So 5,000 into 12, total amount is 60,000 into, I already explained, what will the average period? That means at the beginning of each month, it will be 6.5. I already explained it. 6.5 by 12, and the rate of interest is, here it is given, rate of interest 10% here it is given, so we will write it here 10%. Clear? So it will be how much? 0 3250. It will be for A. For B you will write it 4000. Here it is written. A withdraw how much? Sorry, B withdraw how much? 4000 at the end of each month. So how much it will be? 48,000. 48,000 into means end of each month average period will be 5.5 by 12 into 10%. 2,200. Clear? C. Here it wrote C draw 40,000 during the year. When the total amount it will be given, you will calculate only for average period of time. That is 40,000 into 6 by 12 into 10%. These things already we discussed. So it will be 2,000. Clear? Now that means we have to find it out what is the profit transferred to partners capital account. The balancing figure, what we can say, you write to profit transferred to partners capital account. Partners capital account. So you will write capital account, then you will write separately capital account. So you will write here A, B, C. Clear? So first, let me draw the line first. First of all, you have to find the balancing figure. What is the balancing figure you see now? Clear? Make the grand total this side. Seven lakh 8,000. So from 7,08,000 you will deduct 96,000 and 72,000. Clear? So it will be 1,68,000. 1,68,000 you will deduct then 5,40,000. So you will write it 5,40,000. Clear? Again, first you will add the credit side. Credit side total amount is 7,08,000. From 7,08,000, 96,000 and 72,000. The total is 1,68,000. 1,68,000 will deduct it. Then you will get the net amount. This is balancing figure 5,40,000. So 5,40,000. You will write it here. Now you see now 5,40,000. But in this question you see, this question profit sharing ratio it is not mentioned. Clear? Remember one thing, when profit sharing ratio it will not be mentioned in the question, it will be shared equally among the partners. This is the provision, a partnership act. So 5,40,000 it will be divided by three partners. So it equally. So A will get, you can write it here, 5,40,000 into 1 by 3, that is 1,80,000. B will get 5,40,000 into 1 by 3, means 3 partners, so it will be 1 by 3, 1,80,000. C will get 5,40,000 into 1 by 3, it will be 1,80,000. Clear? This is all about the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. In last video, I did not explain about the interest on drawing because interest on drawing was not there, drawing was not there, but in this question I explained. So let me explain again. First, you write the profit, credit side, whatever the profit earned during the year. Then interest on capital you will calculate. First of all, you will see whether it is opening capital or closing capital, but in this question it is given opening capital, because here it is written first capital. So opening capital, if it will be an opening capital, so it will be easy for you. So no need to calculate it anything. Simply you will calculate it. 5 lakh 8%, 40,000, 4 lakh 8%, 32,000, 3 lakh 8%, 24,000. Means the total interest on capital it will be given to three partners is 96,000. Then salary, what will be how much it will be given? A will get 3,000 per month, B will get 3,000 per month. Clear? So 3,000 per month into 12, 3,000 into 12. So both will get 36,000, 36,000. So both partner will get combinedly 72,000. Clear? Now you will calculate the interest on drawing. Interest on drawing, that in the last video that I explained the different average period, how to calculate the average period for different cases. First case is different, B for separate cases, C separate cases. A withdrew at the beginning of each month, B at the end of each month, C during the year. So A withdraws 5,000 at the beginning of each month. So 5,000 into 12, that is 60,000. Average period 6.5 by 12 into rate of interest. So 3,250. B withdraw 4,000. So 4,000 we will calculate 4,000 into 12, 48,000 into average period it will be 5.5 by 12 rate of interest. It will be 2,200. Clear? And C 40,000 during the year. That means total amount. When the total amount it will be given withdrawn during the year, you will calculate for average period of time, that is 6 months. So 40,000 into 6 by 12 into 10 by 100. So it is 2,000. So this side total is 7,80,000 from 7,08,000. 7,08,000 you will deduct 1,68,000. So remaining amount you will get it. That means 5,40,000. 5,40,000 it will be shared among all the partners equally, because profit sharing ratio it is not given. Whenever profit sharing ratio it will not be given, it will be shared equally among the partners. So this is all about the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. So now I am going to explain about the partners capital account. Partners capital account, I am going to explain it now. You will write it, partners capital account. Partners capital account. Clear? So first you divide equally, then three partners you will write see now. So first you write here debit, credit, you write here particulars, then you write the name of the partners A, B, C, you will give the sign rupees sign, you write here particulars, write A, B, C, clear? Last video I explained you how to prepare the partners capital account. So first you write opening capital, you write by balance BD. What was their capital at the beginning of the year? By balance BD. What is the capital of A? You will write it 5 lakh. Capital of B was 4 lakh and C, that is 3 lakh. Clear? Then by interest on capital, interest on capital, interest on capital, 8% it is provided, so it is 40,000. It is 32,000 and it is 24,000. Whatever the amount you wrote in profit and loss appropriation account, that will write. By partner salary account you will write partner's salary account. Partner's salary account means only A, B is getting. So under the you will write A, you will write 36,000 and B you will get 36,000. C is not getting. And what is the profit? By profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. The profit what we distributed among the partner, that is 1,80,000. Each partner got 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Clear? Let me explain. Again I am saying whatever the things it is debited to profit and loss appropriation account, you will write it credit. Now you write here two drawings. How much A has withdrawn? A withdrawn 60,000. B withdrawn how much? 48,000. And C withdraw how much? 40,000. Clear? The total drawing. How much A has withdrawn, B has withdrawn, C has withdrawn. That also you write it. Then you write to interest on drawing. How much interest on drawing? That is already calculated. So for A we have calculated 3,250. How much amount? It is, you wrote it here. That means 3,250, 3,200, 2,000. 2,200 and 2,000. Clear? Now what you will do? You will make the grand total. You will make the grand total of credit side. So you will calculate it here. It will be 7,56,000. Here you will write it. 6,48,000. Then here you will write it 5,04,000. Clear? Now you will calculate here to balance CD. Balance CD means the balancing figure. This side total is 7,56,000 for A. 7,56,000 minus 63,250. So you will calculate the balancing figure. Here it will be 750. 6,92,750. Clear? For B it is how much? 6,48,000. So you will calculate the balancing figure. From 6,48,000 you will deduct 50,200. This is the grand total of 50,200. $5,97,800. Clear? Then here it is 5,04,000 for C. You will calculate the balancing figure. From 5,04,000 you will calculate 42,000. 4,62,000. This is, that means in the last question I did not explain about the drawing and interest on drawing. In this question I explained the treatment of drawing and interest on drawing, and means So accordingly, this is the content you will get in exam also. So in next questions again I will explain when the interest on capital, it will be treated as charge against profit. I will explain it.